Our next speaker is Charles Stambaugh, a real estate attorney who protects clients' constitutional freedoms and property rights, both as plaintiffs and defense counsel. He's well respected in Jacksonville as a knowledgeable civil liberties attorney and consumer protection attorney. Charlie's most passionate undertaking is his support of freedom of religion as an allied attorney of the Alliance Defense Fund. When necessary and justified, Charlie provides his time pro bono to defend those whose rights have been denied. Charlie helped establish Resurrection Anglican Church, and he's a board member of the Youth Crisis Center and has served as a guardian ad litem for children at risk. Please welcome Charlie Stambaugh.
Hello, everybody. Thank you, Diane. And thank you all for giving me the opportunity to speak to you about what many see as the greatest attack on our religious freedom since the birth of our country. And thanks for braving the weather, too. Appreciate that. I'm talking, of course, about Obamacare and its unconstitutional mandates that directly violate your freedom of conscience and force all of us to participate in the killing of unborn children. Better? Thank you. Your knowledge of Obamacare and its mandates, I'm sure, is maddening enough. But I'm here to tell you today about the abortion premium mandate, and it will make you damn mad. You know that Obamacare forces just about every person to purchase health care coverage that includes abortion pills, contraception, and sterilization. Americans like you and me will be forced to comply and abandon our beliefs or face individual financial penalties. And if you're an employer of any size and you offer your employees health insurance that isn't Obamacare compliant, you will be fined. You will pay $100 per employee per day until you do comply. And the Obama administration is actively recruiting thousands of new IRS agents to make sure you do. What you did not know is that concealed within Obamacare is the abortion premium mandate, which says that many Obamacare insurance plans will force employees to pay a separate premium, a non-tax deduction, straight out of your paychecks. My wife never accused me of speaking too slowly. A non-tax deduction, straight out of your paychecks, to fund all types of elective abortions, surgical, chemical, late term, and others. The Obama administration created this accounting trick in order to circumvent federal law that prohibits taxpayer funding of abortions. So instead of the federal government taking your tax dollars to fund Planned Parenthood, they will confiscate your money directly to fund their deadly crusade. But the subterfuge doesn't stop here. Contained within the mandate is the so-called secrecy clause. I'm not kidding you. Not all Obamacare-compliant insurance plans contain the abortion premium mandate. What is included in all of them, however, is a gag rule that prohibits insurance companies from telling you in advance which plans do contain it. You can only learn of it after enrollment by searching the fine print. Then you're stuck with it until the next enrollment period, when once again your choice is blind. Is it any surprise that Planned Parenthood was a key player in drafting Obamacare? But Obamacare and its mandates involve more than the taking of innocent human life. They are a measure of this administration's outright contempt for the religious freedom and the freedom of conscience. Even their offered compromise attempts to define and limit whom a church might serve. That's why the Alliance Defense Fund has already filed several lawsuits on behalf of Christian businesses and universities to block its implementation, and will continue to file more. This month, the United States Supreme Court will be issuing its much anticipated ruling on Obamacare. But if only the individual mandate is struck down, employers will still be forced to offer Obamacare compliant policies. expanding abortion funding, and the killing of millions of more unborn babies. This cannot stand. As free people, we cannot allow government to destroy our beliefs, our consciences, our freedoms, or our children. Let all Americans stand together and united on this. Thank you very much. May God bless you and bless and protect the United States of America.